So, dapat pala, diagonal. Therefore, naglagay ng diagonal.
Kaya nga, ino-observe ako ko rin eh.
7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 51, 52.
52.
52. Okay, ito na ang reveal ng answer. 52.
55.
Ay, hindi kasi 53. May potato shortage pa ba?
More house.
I recall you also got yours.
Yes.
Yay! The culprit.
Yes, because instead of you zoning out and you just focusing on your lone commute home, you are now in front of
Generational trauma.
and feel the weight of your generational trauma. Don't see it. You can.
Wait. Kaya, ako, kasama kita ngayon. Paano? Pwede bang... Magkano to? Abulong to para sa akin! Dadalhin ko sa simbahan! Dadalhin ko sa simbahan!
Sunod natin, maging
The
sure!
force is always sure. Push!
Scheduling you to, kunwari,
It's me.
3 TV shows para 3 sets of people, gano'n.
Ay,
Paano nyo?
hindi siguro all three. Parang isa-cycle na.
3. Kumbaga, yung 2 of the same name. Because you have how long? 2 hours din.
Wala.
So, lagay mo lang A. Angelica pala yun. Pero akala nila,
Di ba pagpatay?